All right, I'm going to show you how to program these. Got these on Amazon. There's the part number. It says universal remote for LiftMaster. So I have one here, LiftMaster, and then one here. So the way you do this is you take these apart, these little covers here, and there's a program button right here. And then if you go to the actual go to the back, the actual back of the machine, there's a button. This one right here, this red button, you press it, you don't hold it. If you want to erase all the remotes and start over, then you'll hold it down for 3 seconds. But so what you want to do is you want to hold this down until the light turns on, and then you want to press that button there one time. And it should, there it is, light up. And then all you do is, you hear it? It clicked, so now it should be able to take this off program mode, and then, well, let's try it again. Hold down the program button. It's on. We're gonna press the button. We're gonna hold it up close to it. So let's see if it works. There it is. Now this one you have to hold down for it to open. That's all you gotta do.